Another unboxing haul ng in-order kong solar light sa Shopee. Binili ko ito ay buy one take one. So, I will see if it's really buy one take one. Wow, well, it is legit. Inside the parcel, it's 2 pieces in the 2 pieces of boxes. So, this is it, solar power lights from Philips. Nahilig kasi ako sa mga solar power lights kasi can save electricity also. So, have remote. And then this is what inside, some battery and screw from the box that can use this battery for this remote, have freebie battery. Then ito yung solar panel niya. Then have also this one. I will install it to my chicken kasi meron akong mga manok. Yan siya yung lights niya. 75 watts. Bumili ako nito para may ilaw yung aking kubo and yung aking mga manok. Kasi I have chicken laying eggs for my husband since he like native chicken eggs. So I harvest it every day. So I'm happy with my purchase. Subok ko na ang solar lights for the reason why I bought some lights for my plants. Thank you for watching.